That's a meeting booked. That's cold calls. I love sales.
How can I help?
Hopefully I haven't caught you at too much of a busy time. Do you guys run Google ads for the...
No, we don't actually, no.
I run them for and I got great results for them. Would you like to talk about that further?
So you run what? Sorry, did you say you run them for another local?
Not one local to you, not one that competes with you. I work with... They're based in...
Okay, fine, right.
If now is busy, I would really love to organise a call with you and talk about Google Ads.
The only ad I'd be interested in right now, but obviously I know there's all the costs associated with it, we have to be careful with that, is about recruitment ads is actually what we're looking at right now.
Okay.
I don't really know how that sits.
Well, do you have, as in, you're looking to get some staff for the nursery?
Yeah, that's right.
So the actual ads themselves, the platforms, whether you're looking for parents or you're looking for staff, it's the same mechanism.
Yeah.
So that is something that I would be able to help with. Would you like to organise a call with me?
Yeah, we can do it. We can't do it today though, so I need
Sure.
to go in the kitchen and cover because I'm
Okay.
behind. So today's not the right day. Wednesday's a good day, but obviously if you don't get me straight away, don't give up because I basically don't work on a Wednesday, but I do kind of still work. It's really confusing, but basically I kind of do a work from home day for my child.
Sure.
So I'm about, but just if I'm busy doing something with him, then I might not be completely contactable.
Okay. Does he have a nap?
Give up.
Does he have a nap? Does he have a nap time usually?
Oh, it's not so much about that. It's just a case of calling me a couple of times.
Okay.
So I'll give you my mobile phone number.
Great.
It is a personal phone, so don't get too carried away with it. But it's 077.
Sure. I'll just read that back to you. So it's I'm Alex. Thank you so much for your time.
No problem. See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Boom! Ding, 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 ding. And that's the ratio. That was 10 calls and then someone saying yes. That's the ratio. It's averages. It works so good. Happy days. I love sales. That's a meeting booked. That's cold calls. That's a meeting booked. Happy days. For Wednesday, to run some recruitment ads. And that's how you do it. That's how you get your foot in the door with cold calling. Boom! So what I would do now, I'm writing that down and I'm writing extremely detailed notes of everything we talked about, when she told me to call her back, what to do, recruitment ads. I will put that then in my calendar, not just in my reminders on HubSpot. I will put that in my calendar to call her back on Wednesday, so I definitely do it. And I will also then prepare some material for recruitment ads, maybe some examples, and also get some ideas of costs in my head for how much it is. This is a foot in the door. It doesn't matter that it's a small little contract. This is something of value I can offer to them, and they then can build a relationship with me. So I've gone now from her not knowing me, cold, to now I have a meeting opportunity with her on Wednesday. Boom. That's the power of cold calls. I've been doing this for 24 minutes. I've called 10 people. She was my 11th person. That's the ratio. Bang. Cold calls. If you want to learn how to cold call properly, my link is in the description there. Boom.